The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Introducing first, from Paris, France, Zara.
Here we go. This is the match a lot of these people came to see tonight.
And with good reason, Michael. This one's been brewing for quite some time.
And her partner, from another time, Collins.
Given the participants, this match might very well steal the show, guys.
Yeah, and I think you could go so far as to say it has the makings of a Match of the Year candidate.
And their opponents, the Enforcer and Luscious, the Order.
If this one lives up to the hype, Byron, we're in for an amazing match here tonight.
There's no reason to think this one won't live up to the hype, Michael. We're looking at some of the most intense competitors in all of WWE.
Oh, man, this is going to be great. Beautiful technique. Oh, man! Harsh impact. Vertical suplex. Nice. What a stomp. Good grief. Ah, drop kick. Right on the money. Huge toss. Ooh. Nailed it. She's starting to stagger a bit. This is not how she drew this one up.
This is where we might just see one of these women pull away from the other for good.
Well, breakneck speed, well of her Corona. Oh, man.
Oh, using the knee as a weapon.
Inside the ring now. Just breaking down the opponent. She's taking on some offense here. She might just be a little overwhelmed by the Tornado tag team atmosphere.
Well, she certainly seems to favor being outside the ring. Though for the life of me, I cannot figure out.
Going for the cover. Down with a power bomb. And there's a kick out at one.
It's going to take more than that to keep her down.
Boom! A knee right to the face. No, reverses it. bringing it back into the ring.
Boom, what impact. Oh, nasty impact. What a stomp. Good grief.
Look at her go.
And she turns it around on her. Oh. Hooked up and... No, she's too quick for her. She might have it. Oh, what a nasty knee lift.
You gotta believe this one's over. She has got to take advantage here.
Oh, man. What a strike. What a stomp.
Good grief.
This is not where she wants to be. She'll need to find a way back on the offensive if she wants to be successful here in this Tornado Tag Team match.
I just can't pick a winner at this point, guys. Any one of these women can take this thing. She is on fire. Oh, man, she's rolling now. She is on fire.
This could be it.
Ooh, what impact. Incredible. The complexity of that move is absolutely unreal.
You gotta believe this one's over. Can't waste any time here.
Can she end it here? And they kick out at 2.
Not yet.
I think she's trying to prove a point here.
She's tough, but nobody's that tough.
Clothesline!
That was amazing. Some serious damage to the arm being inflicted here.
It's a lunar one.
That should do it.
This could be it. Cover.
Oh, silence. It's locked in.
Oh, it's over. A kick out, and you can see the frustration starting to build.
She's still in this one.
Big reversal for her there. Oh, clothesline. How much more punishment needs to be different?
Face buster. This one is over.
Ooh. Got the shoulders down. Gets the shoulder up. Wow. What's it going to take?
She's still in this one. Beautiful technique.
She's not looking good here, guys.
Man, she's got to get herself together here.
Ooh-wee. Nailed it.
Oh, this is not good at all. She wants it one more time.
Harsh impact. That's it.
Shoulders on the mat. Boom! Well, she's got a tremendous amount of resilience, so I think she's got something left here.
Wow, I thought for sure that was it.
Oof! Not so fast. Hurricane Rana.
Unbelievable athleticism. Wrenches the arm. Unceremoniously deposited down.
Oh, and she gets out of the way.
That'll mess up the back of your neck.
Oh, man, she's rolling now.
It could be